So in this video, we're comparing the iPhone 17 Pro Max versus a cinema camera. In this case, the cinema camera I'm going to be using is the Sony FX6. I'm going to be put into the test in two ways. Number one is a home studio with professional lighting, professional gear, so that I can see how the iPhone stacks when I have all the things around it that make it look good. And for test number two, I'm just going to go outside and shoot whatever comes my way and capturing B-roll, if you will. Let's go check it out. First off, the talking head. So this video right here is being shot on both the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the Sony FX6. And I'll let you be the judge to tell me which one you think looks better or which one looks worse. All right, so let's test the studio. Say this is your home setup. This is like just a simple light, a tube light behind me. And how does it look to you? We can compare these images here. Like, I wish I had another thing to do instead of just turning, but I just want you to see see what this looks like. And for behind the scenes, let's just grab this guy. Right, and so the setup is not like, it's not absolutely crazy, you know? And so if it looks amazing to you, like, I think it looks pretty good, but this setup is so simple. And it doesn't take a lot to get a good image. It just takes a little bit of thought. And so maybe this is you. Maybe you're just thinking like, man, I wish I had a better setup to shoot videos at home. Does it look good? Like, you let me know. Do you think this looks good? I think it looks amazing. And again, you can even see here, like behind me, it's just a tube light. A little more cinematic, a little movement. So that light, and that's it, two light sources. So now you've seen two studio looks. They're very simple. Next up, let's go get some B-roll, just shots of things happening in nature and see which one looks better. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That's the Sony FX6 versus the iPhone 17 Pro Max. A little bit outdoor, a little bit of studio footage, comparing the two, even now still shooting. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about it or any questions about settings, be sure to leave it down in the comments below. And that's all I have for you guys in this one. See you in the next one. Peace. Like, yeah, this is life. Also, if you're into farming, like, dude, chickens and ducks, that's the way to go.